This video shows you how to install the cargo carriers on the Mountaintop roll. The box contains all parts to install the cargo carriers and the instruction manual. Please check that all parts are available. For detailed information, please use the instruction manual. Spray soap water on the profile for mounting of the load friction rubber. It's important not to stretch it. Cut off the excess rubber. Slide in 4 T-stones on each side. Slide 2 T-stones to the rear position and 2 to the front position. Bend the 2 ears on the gasket. Place the gasket over the T-stone. Make sure the holes in the gasket are over the T-stone. Place the cargo carriers. Mount the bolt and the washer and finger tighten it. Make sure the cargo carriers are placed in the right position. Tighten the bolts with a torque wrench, the torque you will find in the instruction manual. Mount the lock barrel in the plastic cap. Place the retainer over the angled area and push the barrel in. Mount the plastic cap on the cargo carriers and lock it. Take out the key. If you remove the load friction rubber, you can use the T-slot for mounting accessories, for example, Tula products. We appreciate you have chosen a Mountaintop product. If you have any questions or need any assistance, you are welcome to contact us. You can find more information on our website.